Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this simple but yet stylish looking design. So let's quickly start with the markings. We need to give the circle shape like this and mark the slanting lines like this. This is how the reference lines for the flower would have to be marked. And here I'll be using 6 strands of anchor thread for the making of this flower, and I'm gonna give the bullion knot stitch on these lines. This is how we have to create it. Insert and wind the thread of nearly 15 to 20 times. Inserting back in the same hole, we have to pull it. This is how each and every line has to be created and is known as bullion knot stitch. This is a simple embroidering basic stitch which we use for the embroidering of the flower. As I said in the beginning itself, it looks simple but it really gives an elegant rich look when you try it. And this is how each and every line I would be stitching with the bullion knot stitch. This was the latest trending designer pattern which really gives an elegant look. You can also try this on your old blouses to turn into new designer blouses, or else like the designer booty on your plain sarees, randomly designing it, or else on the suits, designing on the neckline, complete neckline designing, or else for the dupattas designing also. You can recreate any of your old garments to new designer garments. Once the flower is completed, this is how it looks. I'm at the end of the bullion knot stitch to create this flower. Now exactly in the center I'll be sticking the kundan of silver color. This is the freehand pattern, so we can mark anyway 3 leaves like this. And on this markings I would be giving the stitch of normal chain stitch using the zari thread of single strand. This is how we have to give the normal chain stitch. And for the filling of the flowers, I'll be using here antique zardozi of small size. 1-inch string we have to cut it, and this is the padded load stitch we are creating here. For the stitching of zardozi, I'll be using size 9 number needle and the cotton silk thread. In this U shape we have to stitch it, and at the tip also we have to give the stitch. And for the filling of the zardozi, I had already cut in very small sizes, and now I am starting at this tip to create the flower look like this. Without leaving any gaps, insert the zardozi string and stitch one side. If one side is completed, turn to another side and fill in this way only. I'm almost at the end of this filling flower to one side. The same way I'll stitch to another side. This is how we have to design the leaf work with the Zardozi string. And next, as I said, this is the freehand pattern designing. Finally, we'll conclude with the making of kundan flower like this. Applying the glue dots of 7 dots equally, maintaining the gaps, and I'll be sticking on this glue with the silver color kundans of small size. And this is the pattern which I have created this on the blouse. This is how it looks. It's really looking very awesome. You must try this pattern because this is very much latest trending pattern. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazon Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.